Amber, and we're from your Wellness at Work team. Today we're going to share a few simple meal prep tips that will not only save you time and money, you'll be eating healthier too.
You know, we often hear from people that they just don't have time to cook at home. And at first, meal prepping can seem overwhelming, but with a few tips, you'll build confidence and this new habit will become sustainable.
So let's talk a little bit about prepping for meal prepping. Start thinking about meals your whole family likes. Start small with simple recipes and make a grocery list of the ingredients you need after you've checked for the items you have in your pantry.
And if you need some inspiration, Pinterest has lots of examples. You can even choose themes to help guide your meal planning. Monday might be potluck night, Tuesday might be Mexican night, and so on.
One of our favorite meals to prep ahead of time and make in the middle of a busy week is a sausage and veggie skillet. We love that it's so adaptable. Let's take a look at the ingredients and realize how you can customize it to fit your family's taste buds.
Take cauliflower, for example. You can substitute broccoli, zucchini, lentils, or even mushrooms. And if you have picky eaters at home, you can try chopping veggies finely so they're less noticeable. Save money by substituting whatever is on sale. Ground round or ground turkey works well with this recipe, or maybe you even have ground venison in your freezer. Let's whip up this super fast and easy sausage and vegetable skillet that we've prepped ahead of time. Let's start with browning the sausage.
Sarah, don't you just love an evening when you don't have to worry about dinner? It's like a weight is lifted off your shoulders. No last minute trips to the grocery store or skipping your workout because you have to figure out dinner plans.
For sure. Let's add the cauliflower, peppers and onions, and the kale. Look how pretty that looks. Notice how easily this meal comes together when everything has been prepped ahead of time. Didn't have time to meal prep? All of these veggies can be purchased frozen and already chopped for you. When using frozen veggies, you'll want to thaw them and remove some of the excess water before they go into the pan. Amber, do you have a favorite day of the week that you like to do your meal prepping?
I sure do. I always try to meal prep on Sundays. I'll carve out an hour or two to go grocery shopping and get my kids involved in the cleaning and chopping as soon as I get home. When you make it fun and involve your family in the planning and prepping, kids are more likely to enjoy the foods they've prepared. Sometimes we even throw in some music and dance.
That does sound like fun. Plus, the extra hands makes the task go twice as fast. What I also like about cooking at home is that you have more control over what you put into your meals. And you know what's in your food. No mystery meats or ingredients you can't pronounce.
So finally, we'll add in the seasoning blend. The recipe calls for Creole seasoning, but you can use about just any seasoning blend you have on hand.
There it is. The skillet is done. It smells so good and looks so colorful.
And it's also budget friendly. We purchased all these ingredients that were on sale or in season for just under $10. Where else can you get a fresh, healthy meal for less than that?
Let's go ahead and plate our dinner. Maybe you can throw a dinner roll on the side or some brown rice. If you've doubled the recipe, go ahead and put half in the freezer for next week. Another option is to put it into 4 small containers, and then you have grab-and-go lunches for the busy week.
So there you have it, a simple, healthy skillet that is so easy to throw together for a quick meal anytime. Once you realize how easy meal prepping can be, your health and your wallet will reap the benefits.
Cheers to wellness at work and at home.